everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our hair tips and trend. Looking for a chic, modern and low maintenance hairstyle that gives you both style and volume? In this video, we will explore the Pixie Cut, a short hairstyle that's all about versatility and volume. Whether you are going for a sleek, polished look or something more textured, this Pixie Cut with volume offers endless styling options. Pixie cuts have long been a favorite for those seeking a bold, low-maintenance hairstyle. This fall, the trend is all about textured layers, subtle color enhancement, and modern twists to the classic Pixie. If you are looking to make a stylish statement, here are the top Pixie cuts to try now. Infused with the season's hottest trend, dark mocha is the color of the season, offering a rich, velvety tone perfect for the cooler months. Pair it with a textured Pixie cut for an effortlessly chic look. This style is all about movement, so ask your stylist for choppy layers that add volume and dimension. The combination of a deep mocha shade with textured layers creates a sultry, sophisticated look that is ideal for any occasion. Brunettes are getting a fall makeover with soft golden brown highlights that brightens the face without being overpowering. The layered Pixie cut is perfect for showcasing these highlights, with layers creating depth and texture. These cuts allow the golden hues to subtly shimmer through, adding warmth and a sun-kissed glow to your hair. It's a great option for those who want a Pixie with a bit of length on top for styling versatility. For those who prefer a more structured look, the tapered Pixie is a timeless choice. This sleek cut is shorter on the sides and back, slightly more length on top. Works well with darker shades like espresso or black, creating a sharp and polished look. You can add a touch of personality with a side-swept fringe or undercut to make the style your own. If you're feeling bold, go for a Pixie with an undercut. This edgy style features closely cropped sides and a voluminous top, perfect for playing with texture. Try it with a darker root fade into mocha or even incorporate subtle caramel to give the look depth and a pop of color. This Pixie is great for those who want a striking contrast and an effortlessly cool vibe. Coily hair and Pixie cuts can make a dynamic duo. This fall, embrace your natural coils with a Pixie cut design to accentuate their bounce. A layered coily Pixie with soft balayage highlights, especially in warm tones like honey or chestnut, will enhance the texture and movement of your coils while giving them dimension and shine. For a more feminine take on the Pixie cut, try a feathered Pixie with side-swept bangs. This soft, airy style features delicate, whipsy layers that frame the face beautifully. It works well with a brunette base and subtle gold highlights for a bit of contrast and warmth. This style offers a gentle, romantic flair while keeping the overall look chic and contemporary. This fall, Pixie cuts are all about textures, layers, and subtle color upgrades. Whether you prefer a sleek, tapered style or a voluminous, textured look, there is a Pixie cut to suit every style and personalities. Embrace the season trend with dark mocha tones, golden brown highlights, and layered cuts that are both fashionable and easy to maintain. With this trending Pixie style, you'll be ready to step into fall with confidence and flair. We'll be diving into how to add volume to this trendy cut, how to style it, and the best product to keep it looking fresh every day. The Pixie cut is a classic short hairstyle that's been around for decades, but today we are focusing on giving it a modern twist, volume. What makes a Pixie cut chic is its edgy yet versatile look. It's short, easy to maintain, and can be styled in different ways depending on your personality and preference. Adding volume to a pixie cut can make it appear fuller, more dramatic, and give you that effortlessly stylish vibe. Now, you might be wondering, can I pull off a pixie cut? The answer is a big yes. Pixie cuts are versatile and can be tailored to suit any face shape. Let me break it down. If you have a round face, you would want to add volume at the crown to elongate your face. For square faces, adding some layers and volume can soften strong jawlines. Heart-shaped face. Focus the volume near the bottom of the cut to balance your look. And if you have an oval face, you are in luck because almost any pixie style will work for you. Let's get into the fun part. Styling your pixie cut for maximum volume. Follow this simple step for that perfect voluminous look. First thing first, prep your hair. Start with damp hair and apply a volumizing mousse or spray. This will give your hair some grip and structure for when you blow dry. 2. Blow dry with a round brush. Using a medium-sized round brush, focus on lifting the roots as you blow dry. Make sure to leave the hair at the crown to create height and fullness. Flip your head upside down while blow drying for extra volume. 3. Use a coiling wand or flat iron. For some added texture, take small sections of hair and coil or wave them loosely. This will create a more tousled, voluminous effect. You can use a flat iron for a sleek look instead. 4. Finish with a texturizing spray. Once you are happy with the style, lightly mist your hair with a texturizing spray or dry shampoo to lock in that volume and add some hold. To keep your pixie cut voluminous all day, you will need the right products. Here are my top recommendations. 1. Volumizing mousse. Lightweight, but gives structure and fullness at the root. 2. Texturizing spray. For that effortless, beachy volume, a texturizing spray like Oribe's dry texturizing spray works wonders. 3. Dry shampoo. This is your best friend for maintaining volume, especially on day 2 or 3 without washing. 4. Pomades or wax. Use a small amount of lightweight pomade or wax to define your layers and textures without weighing your hair down. Here are daily maintenance tips for Chic pixie cuts. Now that you have styled your pixie cuts, let's talk about maintaining it on a daily basis. 1. Sleeping on a satin pillowcase will reduce friction and help maintain your hair's shape and volume. 2. On days when you are short on time, a quick spray of dry shampoo will lift the roots and absorb any excess oil. 3. If any sections of your hair go flat, a few spirits of water or a lightweight leave-in conditioner can help reshape and refresh the look. 4. Pixie cuts need regular trims, ideally every 4 to 6 weeks, to maintain their structure and keep the end looking fresh and neat. If you ever decide to grow out your pixie cuts or change up the style, here are a few tips on how to transition smoothly. As your hair grows, keep the sides short, but grow out the top to create a longer textured pixie. It's chic and give you more styling option. Adding bangs or side swept layers can give your growing pixie cut a fresh look as you transition into a longer style. Headbands, clip, or scarves are a great way to add flair to your pixie cut during the growing out phase. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more hairstyle tips and tutorials. See you next time and stay fabulous.